The next thing we're going to solder is the switch. This will turn the console on and off, and it just means we can save charge when we're not using it. So let's dive right in and get soldering. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab the motherboard, and here you can see we have some holes through for where the switch is to be soldered. So go ahead and grab the switch from the same little plastic bag where we found the buzzer. Here you can see it has a little silver casing on it with a little black side thing that we can adjust. And you'll see on the PCB there will be some small holes and some big holes that align with the pins. Here you can see we are just pushing in the switch on the PCB. Again, once more, it's super important that the switch remains flat. So just using 2 thumbs, we're just pressing it down to make sure it's flat on that PCB. And then we're going to flip it over and get it ready for soldering. So go ahead and grab your soldering iron, grab the solder, apply the soldering iron tip to the pin and the pad, and then apply a small amount of solder. Now you can see on the outer pins, we need to put a little bit more solder than the pins in the middle, because the pins in the middle don't actually require that much solder. As you can see here, I'm only putting a little bit. It's crucial that you don't want to over solder it. You don't want to put too much solder on the PCB. And as you can see, we get that nice cone shape that we are looking for. Now, as these pins are quite short, we don't need to get the cutters out and trim them shorter.